If your Gmail inbox is full and you want to delete everything quickly, this video will show you the fastest and easiest way to do it. Make sure you are logged into the correct account, especially if you have more than one Gmail account. Once Gmail opens, click on Inbox on the left side. Now look at the small checkbox at the top of the email list. Click that checkbox once. You will see that Gmail selects the emails on the current page, but we want to delete everything, not just one page. So click the message that says, Select all conversations in inbox. Once you click that, every email in your inbox will now be selected. Immediately, all the selected emails will be removed from your inbox. But they are not permanently deleted yet. They are moved to the trash folder. To remove them completely, go to the left side and scroll down until you see trash. Then click Empty Trash Now. Once you confirm, all the emails will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Your Gmail inbox is now completely empty. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to IT Insider for more simple tech tutorials like this.